Hi, I'm Hugh, and in this video I'm making 8 vacation-themed emojis. Sure, we've already got the palm tree and wave emojis, but I think we deserve something a little more realistic. First up, sunburn. If you don't have one, you don't have summer. For the base, I picked the palest dude Emojipedia could offer, the knave victim, and immediately I painted his whole face bright red, leaving only the part covered by his sunglasses. To make it even more realistic, this man got a serious UV overdose. Seriously, you don't mess around with this stuff. Almost 9,500 people are diagnosed with skin cancer every single day. The more you know. So yeah, wear sunscreen. Then I put the sunglasses back on his forehead, tweaking the perspective a bit so it looks like he just pushed them up. Pretty sure if he looked in the mirror right now, he wouldn't be thrilled. So I stole the surprised mouth from the exploding head emoji and slapped it onto our guy. I also replaced one eye with a fully closed one. Don't worry, he's not winking, he's just suffering under the blazing sun. Fun fact, he won't be the only one getting absolutely cooked by the sun today, but we'll get to that later. Last little detail, a few wrinkles to show his skin is officially fried. Where do you think he went for vacation? Cancun 2026? Italy? A porch? The next emoji I wanted to make is hangover. You know, when it's happy hour at night and happy house the next morning. I stripped the vomiting emoji down until all that's left was the green face. Then I layered it over the tired emoji and lowered the opacity. I kept the strongest green around the forehead, you know, where all the bad decisions are made. I also used the mouth from the vomiting emoji and dropped it onto our guy, kinda saying, I've thrown up before and I'll do it again. And of course, bloodshot eyes. The signature accessory for anyone over 25 who dares to drink after the first round. For anyone who didn't know, me included, there's actually a glass pouring liquid emoji. I kinda needed it. Also, did I miss any other cool emojis? For the hand I had to mash together two different emojis, the shaka sign and the open hand. I layered them together so it looked like he's holding the glass, except today he's not gripping that glass with confidence, so I used puppet warp to bend his fingers around it. And finally, his meal plan for the next few days. Sparkling water that somehow doesn't help at all and just makes the nausea even worse. I have a pretty good guess what he drank to end up looking like this, but we'll get to that in a bit. Anyway, now you can actually use it. Way easier than trying to text while battling the morning sun. Alright, let's keep going. We've still got 7 emojis left. Next is burying a phone in the sand. And I'm not just talking about the emoji here. Touching grass isn't enough anymore. It's time to touch some sand. Well, I added the glitch effect to the phone screen. Then I used the same trick for the sand. I added it over the phone, but only along the top edge. So it's half buried. Just to really hide it, I wanted to pile some extra sand on top. But after randomly nudging it around for a while, I realized it actually looked better off to the side. Everything simple is genius. Or, anyhow, the perfect emoji for your last workday before vacation. Now, onto something important. Seagulls. Not gonna lie, I have a beef with seagulls. As in, I'm of an opinion that they shouldn't exist. And one of 1,000 reasons is they keep on stealing food. Google thinks it's cause they're just smart. I think it's cause they are descendants of the devil himself. How come there's no seagull emoji? So I grabbed a few references and rounded up some bird volunteers. A duck, an eagle, and a goose. The eagle became the base since it's already flying. First, I repainted it with seagull colors. White body, darker wingtips. Just layering it little by little. The goose was kind enough to donate its feet. Well, not to me, to the seagull. Although technically to me, because I'm the one making this. Interesting. And the duck donated its beak. Welp, thank you for your cooperation to get rid of that intimidating eagle vibe. I gave our devil bird a friendlier face. And of course, the stolen item, pizza. Somehow making one perfectly round pizza out of a single slice took way longer than turning an eagle into a seagull. Then I changed the pizza's perspective. Its new perspective? Getting eaten by a seagull. And that's the final emoji. A tragic little story about lost opportunities. Speaking of loss, this isn't the only emoji about losing something. Next up, a flip-flop taken by a wave. You could say it's a deep metaphor about freedom. Nah, it's somebody just lost their flip-flop. I changed the flip-flop to pink so it wouldn't disappear into the waves. And that's done. Whatever it ended up meaning. We're almost there. Just 3 more emojis and we're done. And the next emoji is for everyone unlucky enough to spend the summer in the city. Overly sweaty guy. First, I put him in a t-shirt, because that's basically just a blank canvas for all the sweat that's about to happen. Next, I went on fixing the facial expression. I gave him his tongue hanging out. Technically, that's how dogs cool themselves down, but honestly, it'll work for us too. Then I redrew the eyebrows by hand and added some eye bags. And of course, a little blush. Then, a little more. Plus, I adjusted the sleeves so I could add raised arms. Like that. I'm going for that feeling when you step outside. And 5 minutes later, you've regretted your decision to go get a cappuccino. I added a few drops running down from his armpits and head, plus some heat waves rising off the top of his head. I also changed the eyes so they're rolling in different directions, like he's about 2 seconds away from dropping dead. I also drew some wrinkles around the mouth, eyes, and eyebrows to make it feel like even his face is melting in this ridiculous heat. Dear National Weather Service, feel free to use this emoji for your extreme heat alerts. Here's what we've got so far. Not bad, huh? Let's finish the last 2. When it's this hot, you've gotta stay hydrated. So I'm taking this regular cocktail emoji and turning it into the most questionable party cocktail imaginable, with way too many kinds of alcohol in it. I drew a shot glass. I filled it with absinthe, added a layer of blue curacao on top, then dumped the whole thing into the main cocktail. I also left 1 extra shot on the side, and added a little flame to let the stomach know what's coming. A few ice cubes too. It's a vacation after all. Then I painted a little puddle to make it look like someone splashed the shot into the glass a little too aggressively. Added a few drips on the glass too, except it kinda looked like puke. So I changed the puddle from green to pink. Now it just looks like pink puke. Cute. And that's it. The perfect emoji for saying. But every vacation has the same ending. You come back with a bunch of memories and an empty bank account, so I made an emoji with empty pockets. I combined the OK hand emoji with the shorts emoji to create the perfect I have nothing left pose. Then I drew the pocket by hand and made it look like someone is pulling it inside out. For the color, I borrowed it from the shirt emoji. The same shirt our sweaty guy absolutely destroyed earlier. Ew. Basically easy visualization of difficult financial situations. And that's it. Let me know in the comments which of these 8 emojis was your favorite, and have a great vacation. And also watch this.